Connect the right motor wires to the two right-hand terminals of the L9110 module. Connect the left motor to the left-hand terminals. Extend the GND from the R3 board to the breadboard with a wire to connect more modules. Similarly, extend the 5 volts to the breadboard. Now connect the L9110 modules GND to GND and VCC to 5 volts. Connect a 1B to GND and a 1A to 5 volts. Connect B1B to A to 5 volts and B1A to GND. Finally, insert the battery wire and you'll be able to see the car advance.